You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Investors remain focused on the Middle East, where the threat of escalating conflict between Israel and Iran continues to loom. Hints that the US might join Israel's air campaign against Tehran have heightened tensions in global markets. Donald Trump's ambiguous remarks about potential military involvement have only added to the uncertainty. Analysts warn that any signs of escalation could trigger a sharp investor reaction, especially given the lack of progress on trade deals. Markets remain vulnerable in the face of such geopolitical risks. Global financial regulators are maintaining a cautious stance. The U.S. Federal Reserve kept rates unchanged but signaled that the inflationary impact of tariffs remains a key factor. Jerome Powell noted that a summer rise in goods prices is likely, limiting the scope for monetary easing. Meanwhile, the Bank of England and regulators in Switzerland and Norway are preparing to announce their decisions amid high oil prices and persistent inflation concerns. Developed market bonds continue to trade in tight ranges, as investors question their resilience amid rising government spending and tighter policy. U.S. equities showed mixed performance. Despite early gains, the Fed chair's comments dampened optimism. The S&P 500 closed nearly flat, while the Dow edged lower. Uncertainty around tariffs and unclear rate signals pushed bond yields higher and weighed on energy stocks. At the same time, upbeat labor market data failed to lift sentiment significantly. Investors remain cautious, awaiting clearer guidance on policy direction and external risks. The digital asset market saw a strong boost as the U.S. Senate passed a bill on stablecoins. The move is seen as a major step toward legitimizing and regulating a sector long stuck in legal limbo. Shares of Circle jumped nearly 34%, and Coinbase surged 16%. The law would require stablecoins to be backed by liquid assets and mandate public disclosure of reserves. Many believe the bill could elevate crypto to a mainstream internet payment tool and open the door to broader adoption, potentially fueling further growth in Bitcoin and other digital assets. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.